W2NPT at the Fairlawn Amateur Radio Club testing and calling CQ75 AM for a demonstration. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, W2NPT, demonstrating AM on our vintage knot with an AM boat anchor. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, standing by for any AM call. CQ75, hello CQ75. Yeah, this is W2NPT, Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango. W2NPT, an amateur radio club in New Jersey, testing and demonstrating the AM mode for the first time to some people, I guess. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, calling CQ75 AM. CQ75 meter AM, W2NPT. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, running all vintage equipment, standing by for any call. Okay, we hear somebody.
I did hear somebody.
There's somebody dumped a carrot.
That's a huge carrot.
Yeah, we should have to walk. Yeah.
Well, there's somebody there with a loud gate and carrier. I'm not going to call him top of him. He's still carrying. That's not us, really. Hello.
You're in stand.
That's tuned, that's stand. That's AM. Okay, stand up. Sometimes just the name and later some good big tennis.
There's a lot of audio who's on.
Static pressure, it's very noisy now.
Summertime.
Here you go.
Just turn up, no, turn the VFO up.
I see you get it up. It's slightly compressed audio like that.
I'll see if he's there.
You go to That's the AM.
Oh, boy.
But now we're gonna have to go.
Now we gotta find it. We gotta switch to VFO. Here it is.
Wait.
Okay. There it is. There it is. Okay, we got it.
That's nice.
Hello, test. W2KBF, 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 this is W2NPT. Carl, do you copy? It's over. W2KBS, W2KBF, this is W2NPT. I'm copying you, Carl. You hear us okay? Over.
Roger.
All right. Hey, Sweetsboro.
In Swedesboro, New Jersey, which is down by exit 3 on New Jersey.
Okay, Carl, the static crashes are pretty horrendous. But we got you in Swedesboro. By the way, to those who don't know, Carl is one of our members, and he has a home down in Swedesboro, New Jersey, and he just called to give us a contact, which is great. Thank you very much, Carl, for coming on. How well are you copying us here? What does the audio sound like? Go ahead.
Okay, sorry, say again, Fred, there was a burst of static, go ahead.
Just wondering how well you're copying us, and how does the audio sound on this DX-60? Over.
I have to say, I'm not used to hearing it does not sound like a modern AM rig. Let me say that. The audio sounds a bit narrower than
Well, that's because it's a narrow transmitter. Actually, it's because the Heathkit DX-60s and similar rigs of that era used a controlled carrier system of modulation, which was kind of restricted in the audio. It's not like plate modulation, which is what we use in broadcasting. So it's a bit more for communications quality, but it's a bit sharper with a higher pitch sounding to it. As long as you can copy us reasonably well, that's all I wanted to know. Go ahead.
Yeah, the signal strength is good. I'm seeing static crashes of almost that size that you're maybe 10 dB over anyway on 80 meters tonight. This is W2KBF.
Okay, Carl, you sound great up here. Really good 5.9 signal. Quite clear, quite easy to understand your modulation. What rig are you using there, please, Lower?
This is an ICOM 7100. ICOM 7100 that I'm using, and the antenna is an end-fed half wave on 80 meters.
Okay, well, it's working. It's working, and we're very pleased to have the opportunity to make at least one contact here on AM on 75 meters. So I will thank you for that, and from the whole gang here centered at the Senior Center in Fairlawn, our thanks to you, our regards to Susan also. 7-3, Carl, thanks again. If you want to call us on CW later, we'll go down there and list around and see what's cooking there as well. W2KBF, W2NPT, running a vintage station and demonstrating AM. Off and clear, but staying by our frequency.
Going back to around 3550, I was listening here before, but could not hear you. Are you going down to 3550 to 3560 over?
Actually, we were just on 40. I got a late start on the air here. So we started out on about 703, 035, whatever, around that frequency. We just went down to 80. I was going to go CW, but somehow or other we ended up here on the phone, just as well. But we will be going to CW after we try for another contact on the phone, okay?
Okay, I just heard somebody turning up around. You might have another voice contact, so I'll stand by.
Okay, Carl, again, thanks very much for calling in. We appreciate the support. At least we're getting out to Swedesboro. 73, W2 KBF, W2 SPG clear. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, the amateur radio club of the Fairlawn Amateur Radio Club station. We are operating a vintage night with vintage equipment here, and would like to demonstrate AM to some of the amateurs in the meeting hall here who have not ever seen the AM before. Any other AM stations on here that can give us a shout? W2 November Papa Tango, standing by. Okay, we'll give one more call. CQ75, CQ 75 meters. CQ 75 meters for a demonstration of AM. This is W2NPT. Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, the Fairlawn Amateur Radio Club, Fairlawn, New Jersey. We're operating a vintage station here and would like to have a demonstration of AM for some of the newer hands who've never seen AM before or heard it on the bands. This is Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, standing by for any call. I think there's somebody there, but there is somebody there. There's somebody there, but you know, one of the reasons why sideband became so much more popular is because of the limitations of AM. The fidelity is better than sideband, of course, but because it's a wider band signal, it occupies more spectrum. It's not as efficient as a mode as would be sideband or CW or digital mode. So there's a guy out there very weak.